Hik mar Raila Odinga ne otele gi kanisa mar Anglican na kendo Jadolo ne otiyo gi thuolono mar timo nende kanyakla kod chiwo weche mag hocho ne familia kod jokenya duto. Jadolo omedo jiwo jopiny osum kido mar Raila Odinga kaka yore e piny. Ripota marwa Millicent Adhiambo ntiere kod ler mathoth.
I just want to tell the whole world that Raila was a faithful member of the Anglican Church. He was baptized under controversial circumstances when a white priest refused to baptize him because the father chose the name Raila Odinga instead of a Mr. John or David or something else. So, due to the intervention from the Archbishop of Canterbury, Raila was baptized in the Anglican Church. And before he died, it took him long before he was confirmed. But sometimes he went back to Canterbury and paid a visit to the Archbishop of Canterbury, Justin Welby. And he was confirmed at Canterbury as a full member of the Anglican Church, given the right to take Holy Communion. So the last time we had a service at St. Peter's Church, that was his first time to take Holy Communion in his own church after confirmation.
I want to plead that the country of Kenya ensures that we elect the right number of women to all the electoral positions, because that will please the late Honorable Prime Minister. He was an advocate against gender violence. And let me tell you, those who are here, when you go home, honor Raila by not beating your husband or beating your wife, because Raila was a crusader against gender violence. Raila was a politician who always listened to the ground. Let us always listen to the people of Kenya and make justice flow like a river and righteousness like an ever-flowing stream.